Greetings, incredible LTDE 4303 students. Welcome to Module Week 6 of Planning and Implementation of Professional Development. This week, you will outline an implementation strategy for your professional development experience and receive structured feedback from your peers on feasibility, engagement, and alignment. You will also have the option to use AI tools such as timeline generators, implementation checklists, etc. in this particular module. As always, please carefully review the journal articles, website, and videos provided to you before beginning this week's assignments. This discussion board forum is entitled Planning for Implementation and Peer Feedback, and the purpose of this discussion board forum is to allow you to share strategies for implementing instructional plans and to explore how peer feedback contributes to effective revisions. You will also have the opportunity to reflect on the role of AI-supported planning tools. Your initial post should be between 150 and 300 words in length, and your 2 replies should be between 75 and 150 words in length. For your initial thread prompt, you will have the opportunity to reflect on your implementation plan. Specifically, you should share one key implementation strategy, such as timeline, logistics, communication. You should also describe how you will seek or use peer feedback. You should identify a challenge you foresee in implementation. And finally, you should reflect on a digital tool that could streamline the process of implementation. Additionally, some critical thinking questions to reflect upon and articulate your responses to in this discussion board forum include: first, how can peer input strengthen implementation? Next, what makes a launch plan realistic and sustainable? And finally, how do AI tools contribute to project management? In your post, it's very important that you think back to this week's learning resources, such as readings, videos, and other materials to support your points, and that you cite these resources in APA format within your post. After you've submitted your initial prompt, please review your peers' posts and reply to at least 2 of them by addressing the following. First, offer ideas for addressing implementation challenges. Next, share feedback strategies that have worked for you. And finally, suggest a digital tool to support your colleagues' planning. When responding, please be sure to refer to this week's learning resources and cite them in APA format to back up your points. Additionally, please use evidence from this week's readings, videos, and other resources to enrich this discussion and deepen our online conversation. Your initial thread is due by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday of Module Week 6, and your 2 replies are due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday of Module Week 6. Let's now look at the assignment for this week, entitled Implementation Map and AI Tool Integration. As an aspiring instructional designer, implementing an idea into practice requires thoughtful logistics, strategic planning, and technology-supported tools. This assignment will help you outline a comprehensive implementation strategy for your professional development plan, and will also help you to explore how AI tools might streamline or support delivery. This work mirrors real-world planning tasks and supports innovation through the thoughtful integration of modern design technologies. For this particular assignment, you will be creating a 600 to 800 word implementation map and AI integration brief. Plus, you may include optional visual components if you would like. Your implementation map must include a timeline, logistics, and delivery strategy. Your AI tool integration must include a description, an output sample, and a feasibility reflection. Again, you can include graphics if you would like, such as checklists, agendas, workflows, etc. You should write this in a professional format, as potential employers and clients are the target audience. You'll want to submit this as a Word document or a PDF document, and you will see that there are step-by-step instructions for this assignment included here. As you draft your implementation plan, you will want to outline your professional development session and describe how it will be implemented from start to finish. You should include your timeline for the session, your delivery dates, any assigned responsibilities for you or other team members or those participating in the session, as well as any materials needed, such as technology tools, maybe a projector, a recording device, a microphone, etc., and logistics. Where will this be held? Or will this be a virtual option only, etc.? You will also want to consider the format. Will this be in person? Will it be online? Or will it be hybrid in that you offer an in-person option as well as an online option? And you should include contingency plans in case things don't take place as you expect them to take place. What are some things that you can do to address any potential issues and to ensure that the professional development opportunity is implemented effectively? You'll next want to select an AI tool for exploration. You should choose a relevant tool to support your planning, such as ChatGPT, Canva, Magic Design, etc. Then you will want to test and document the tool, briefly describing how you use the AI tool and including a screenshot or copy of what the tool generated, for example, a sample checklist or a drafted agenda. You will next want to analyze the feasibility and integration of the AI tool, reflecting on its usefulness and thinking about such questions as, did it save time? Did it improve organization? Were there any challenges associated with using the tool? And then evaluate the risks and benefits of AI integration in your PD context. For example, were there any risks or benefits associated with accessibility, bias, privacy, etc.? Finally, you'll want to combine your work. You will want to organize your implementation map and AI tool summary into one clean document, clearly label each section, and add visuals or tables to enhance clarity if needed. As always, before beginning this assignment, please very carefully review the rubric provided in order that you can ensure that you are addressing each item in the rubric with excellence. Next week, we will be exploring evaluation and self-reflection on professional development design. God bless you all, and I hope you enjoy a fantastic 6th week of learning in the course.